And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where we talk about foreign exchange trading, and making money doing all those things. Prop firm trading also. So, without further ado, let's get into the risk disclaimer screen because that's what we need to do next. Let's see. But this is because I live in the United States, and this is required by law, if I'm not mistaken. But here we go. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's a summary of the CFTC risk disclosure. Foreign exchange trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your income. So without further ado, let's get into the what we're going to be talking about here. This is the prop firm trading part. This is the next challenge that I'm going to be getting into. The next contest. This starts November the 1st, which is a Saturday, so it starts October the 3rd, which is a Monday. But this was Sunday night, rather. And this is the big November challenge. We'll see if I can hang in there for more than 6 hours like I did last time, which I just completely overtraded and blew the account as quickly as I could. I also need to check out the rules, too. We'll find the rules right here. And it's not telling me the rules, so I'm going to have to get that printed up. I think it's 3% max drawdown is what I'm allowed, and 3% max drawdown you can achieve that very, very quickly. So we don't need to have any. Basically, you can't have any losing trades. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that and see how that works. So let's get into the things that do matter. Today, let's get into the dollar versus the dollar index. Dollar index is kind of broken out of these ranges lately. Let's see. So Monday it started down here, and now it's all the way up here, which I'm not sure how much further it's going to go. It's going to be running into some resistance about the 99.42 level, but that's still pretty high. And then after that, if it breaks through this level right here at 99.59, we're going to see a lot more dollar strength. With that, we're going to see the euro versus the dollar going down. 117 was the number that it couldn't break, and now 116 is looking at support. So that's the psychological support level. Strong support down here at 115.40. So we've got a big area of support right here. So we don't see. Not really interested in getting into that trade today. Dollar versus the yen. I am actively involved in this trade, as we'll see right here. This is my other account. This is my demo account with Forex.com, and as you can see, I'm up $174 on a $43,000 account, which is not too shabby. I had a losing trade in there yesterday, because I was expecting, my initial trade was expecting to have the dollar yen bounce off of the 153 level and head south again. That did not happen. Instead, the Japanese apparently did not say anything bullish in their or hawkish in their BOJ statement that came out last night, and ended up losing $400 on that trade. Luckily, my live account was the trade was placed for a lot that was bigger than the lot size. It was bigger than the account for the losing trade, so I did not lose money out of my live account. So, little mistakes like that make me happy. But at any rate, we are making money on this trade now, and we're very happy about that. 177 on that. It's a 75.75 lot size. It's 1% with a 60% stop loss. I probably need to change that stop loss too, pull it up a little bit. So I'm 36 pips to the profit right now. Yeah, modifier will take it up to 80. Perfect. There's that one, and I'll do it to the other one a little bit later. My other account a little bit later. So that guarantees me a profit, which I like profits. The neat thing about this is also the carry trade. This is the trade where there's a mismatch between the between the interest rates. So instead of paying a swap fee to hold the trade overnight or over 5 o'clock, over 5 o'clock, I was holding a pound trade yesterday that I closed out at 4:30 yesterday to make sure I didn't cross over and have to pay a swap out of that trade. Which is it's not much money, but it's enough to become annoying if on the bigger lot sizes. But we're threatening 154 here. If it breaks 154, the next stop is 155.5. So we're looking at a very profitable trade that we're in the middle of right now. We'll see how that works out. Let's see. Dollar versus the pound. Now this is the one where I caught the bounce off of yesterday. Came right down here, caught a nice bounce off of it yesterday, and then it came right back down. Can't see it on the daily, but you can see it on the 4-hour. This is the trade that I caught yesterday. It came right back up to here, and now it's headed right back south again. So it's looking forward to possibly sell this off a little bit more as time goes on. Pound versus the yen. Not as not as taking off as the dollar versus the yen. The dollar versus the yen, we get a close above 154 today, then that's going to be a magical type moment. I'm excited about that trade. Pound versus the yen, not so much. Pound is having some problems right now, getting going and staying going, so we're going to stay away from that trade too, because I have a day job and I can't sit in front of the computer all day, which is like, if I got rid of my day job, then maybe I could trade it, but I would more rather trade this. The UCAD, big downward move yesterday, on 138.82. It's coming back up to 139.59. That's a pretty nice little move right there. We don't have these crossing over yet, so we don't have a complete sell-off yet, but it is starting to head down a little bit. We've got lower lows and higher lows, indication that we're going to turn in the market. So we could see the dollar versus the Canadian heading south on Canadian dollar strength. Who knows? And here's the CAD versus the yen. Look at that. That's an impressive move. Yesterday, it's about here. And that's 190. That's a 110 pip move. That's not too shabby at all. Let's see what this is going to do. Oh, it's not Suffer Live. How about that? Yeah, 127 on the UJ. So that is a very good sign. Meeting with Xi was amazing. Okay, so we're also on news that Trump and Xi are playing nice now. So that's good. Let's see, and then Aussie versus the dollar. Big sell-off here off the Aussie. So fundamentally, not sure why that happened. Fundamentally, I know. Technically, I know what happened. It got into this area of support, and this red area is indicated by the Smart Money Concepts plugin that is a area where sellers tend to come back in the market on the 4-hour. So that actually makes sense. I want to go back to the daily, because I like the daily chart better. Gold. See what gold's doing. Gold is trying to make some headway. Trying to see a little bit of a reversal there. Big sell-off again, probably due to relaxed tensions between Trump and Xi. Wouldn't mind seeing that coming right back down to 3,300. That would take probably a lot of worry off a lot of people's minds, and possibly even further south. Gold is a hedge, and I love gold, don't get me wrong. I love owning gold, regardless of the price, really. And I do own a lot of silver, so silver is hanging in there too. So they're not necessarily capitulating, but they are doing just what they're supposed to do. It's still hanging around this 2011 record weekly close at 47.83, at 48.07, just a little hair above it. So we'll see what happens with that. In the meantime, I'm going to go to my day job. You guys have a great day. If you like this video, then by all means, click the like button. And if you want to know when I'm making more videos and more shorts, then by all means, subscribe, and that will give you an idea. You'll get a little notification of when I put out new videos and shorts. And what else? One more thing. Oh yeah, if you have any comments, by all means, comment. And as soon as I see it, it might be a while because I'm super busy, I'm not in front of my computer all the time, then I'll respond back to you. So you guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Bye.